Here you go, you're good. Yep. You just come straight at me now. That's all you got to do. Just straight at me and you're all right. Little bit passenger. Little bit more passenger. Slow. There you go. You're good. Hold on. Stay just like that. Stay just like that. Now just come straight. Really slow because I don't want your bumper to hit that rock when you come off that tire. Slow, slow, slow. There you go. You're down. You're down. All right, let me check this side. Oh, yeah, you're good. You got plenty of room. You're good. Just keep coming straight. Slow, slow. Yeah, I think the rock did the same thing. Right there. You're about to drop. All right, you got... Now it's coming down now on the passenger. Passenger's coming down. Yep, there you go.